if you look at what's happened during the whole virus pandemic period in China's conduct, they've tightened their grip over Hong Kong, effectively ending Hong Kong's semi-autonomous status. They've increased tensions in their own backyard by mounting maritime patrols near the Japanese Senkaku Islands in the East China Sea. They've sent vessels off the coasts of Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam. They've redoubled their extensive claims based on their preposterous 9-dash line in the South China Sea. They've conducted aerial reconnaissance near Taiwan. They've unleashed trade sanctions and economic pressure on Australia, imposed 80% tariffs on Australian barley, all because Australia had the temerity to ask for an inquiry into the origins of the virus. They've even conducted cyber attacks against Australian government and business servers, and they've even sentenced an Australian man to death. They've deployed military force in their border dispute with Bhutan. They've cracked down on the Muslim Uyghur minority in Xinjiang. They've abruptly ended the so-called golden era of relations with the UK over that country's stance on Hong Kong. And they have essentially lashed out at India over the so-called line of actual control, where for the first time, remember, since 1976, no shot had been fired in anger, even on the disputed India-China border, because both sides had been able to keep things more or less on the back burner. Now you've had 20 Indian Jawans dying and an unknown number of Chinese, because they haven't revealed any numbers. And 2 days ago, India said that Chinese soldiers had fired shots for the first time in 46 years. So what's going on? I mean, it seems to me that we are seeing a much more assertive, India would say aggressive China, and that they're basically saying, listen, guys, the gloves are off. You do what you like. You insult us as a country that gave you coronavirus. We don't care. We're going to show that we are who we are. In fact, from an Indian point of view, it was amusing. We used to console ourselves with Deng Xiaoping's famous statement to Rajiv Gandhi in 1988 that don't, ever lose sight. He said that the 21st century will be India's and China's century. You can be sure that Xi Jinping will never say that, because his team and he himself clearly see the 21st century as China's century alone.